Okay, Facebook Livers. They've done the final safety check and ignition check. The key is on its way up to the stage. In order to start down our countdown from 1 minute. The key has been handed off.
Hold restarted from 1 minute.
We're gonna start counting down from 1 minute, Facebook Live.
We are armed. T-minus 30.
30 seconds.
25.
The crowd is getting very excited here.
21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13.
Here we go, Huntsville.
T-minus 10, 9,
5,000 rockets going in the air.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There you have it. 5,000 rockets in the sky. The crowd is excited. We have the weather balloons up there to measure whether or not we actually broke the record. Campers are screaming. The whole city is out, excited to help Huntsville break this world record.
Thank you to everyone for coming out. Thank you to our sponsors, our volunteers, to everyone who helped make this event happen. Now, we have one final step for our record. We'll be reviewing our video footage with our Guinness experts today. We will submit our evidence to Guinness for authentication. When that happens, we will be the proud owners of the new world record for most model rockets launched simultaneously. Now, I'm going to ask you all to do one more thing. For those of you here today, and to those of you watching at home, at school, wherever you are around the world, go launch a rocket today.
There you have it. They're asking people at home, make sure you go out, launch a rocket, commemorate.